that sun is bright. We are dropping off the EcoDiesel today at Peterson Ram in Nampa to get the wheels and tires that were originally ordered when I got the truck finally on. They're like, 13, 14 weeks out now. So, yeah, we're a ways out, and hopefully this thing will be looking good. We'll see how she sets. I'll show you what she looks like now, and we'll see what it looks like once she's done. Should be like maybe 2 days or so, depending on how quickly they're able to install everything. We're doing some coilovers. I was gonna do some Icon stuff originally, but Icon is on a massive back order, and there's no ETA of when they're getting their stuff in, so had to opt out and go with a different setup. So we'll see what that looks like. All right, so here's how she sits now. Go ahead, get you a picture before. We'll see what it looks like when she gets back. Bed liner, wheels, tires, level kit. This truck is bad. Awesome goals right there. That thing's sick. Big old Cummins. Eesh. Someday, when I end up towing things like a real man. It's the new TRX. I was awfully close to getting one of these. This one's stickered at $72,000, which is actually pretty reasonable. But the thing I can't get over, passenger seats on their base package literally don't have power seats. Like, come on. Come on. But other than that, not too shabby. No sunroof, no passenger power seats, no heated and cooled seats, but a lot of power, like a ton. No premium sound system. Base. It's literally a base model Ram with a touchscreen and 700 some horsepower. Definitely a good looking truck though. Not too bad for, I guess, I don't know. I mean, all the modern luxuries you get on these things anyways, as a base is pretty good. No bed liner. I don't think it has power tailgate. Towing capacity on these is garbage. Sick though, suspension. If you're ready to Baja, here's your rig. Maybe next go around we'll try this guy out. Just a Ram. We're picking up the truck right now. It actually came out like way better than I even thought it would with the Fox coilovers on it. 2.5 inch external bypass, and then the rear 2 inch with external. So pretty cool. We'll see it in a sec. Bringing it around, they're just washing it up for us. All right, so just got in the truck with the 35s and the Fox coilovers, and I'm gonna give you my honest first impressions. So they did a great job, by the way. If you're ever in Idaho, in Nampa, there's a Peterson Ram out here. Ruben's the guy that took care of me for the parts and accessories. He knows his stuff. He's actually doing the exact same kit on his truck with the Carli upper control arm and the Fox coilovers, and similar wheels and tires and stuff. So very first impression, when you step on the gas, I mean, obviously you can tell that it's got bigger tires on it, very subtly. It's not a huge difference. It just, a bigger trucks drives a little softer. The other ones had, my other wheels were 22s with some low profile tires, and these are obviously 35s on 18s. So you get a lot more of that squish with the tire being that big on such a small rim. But yeah, it feels more firm for sure. Just first impression, and I can adjust the dampeners on the coils and the rear struts. So right now it's set up for like high speed use, so I might play with it a little bit. I probably want it firmer for the road, and then when I go trails, obviously I'll adjust it accordingly. Full lock though should be good. He said there's no rubbing. They didn't have to cut any crash bars or any metal at all. They just tucked. They didn't have to trim plastic, which is incredible. So it's a full suspension lift. There's a first bump right here. See how she goes, just kind of, yeah, you can tell. So stock suspension, when you hit a bump like that, it's just a little drainage canal or drainage area in between the road where it dips down. And on stock suspension, you get compression and then a rebound, and then compression wallows out till it levels out again. So with this, it goes, I mean, it's just like dirt bikes with like an A-kit suspension setup. You compress, come back, and you sit static. So it's really nice. You feel, it's like a dead dampening feel, which it feels really good. It's progressive, hits, and just stops and stays at its ride height. So that feels good. I'll get on the freeway here in a sec and we'll see how she rides up to speed. We'll see if we can still maintain 25, 26 miles per gallon on average. I think that's going to decline, but we're at 4,700 miles at 25 miles per gallon on average with the EcoDiesel. So off the line, dude, this truck's got 480 foot-pounds of torque, so more than enough to roll some 35s. We'll see what it feels like as we jump onto the freeway here. We'll do a little bit of yeah, it feels good. I don't know. Let's check it out. All right, I'm gonna get on it and see if we can pin it onto the freeway a little bit. Get up to speed. Super smooth. The road noise from the tires is more than stock, to be expected, but let's see, we'll get up to 65, and yeah, feels like a slightly leveled or lifted truck on 35s. You can hear I don't know if you can hear the tires. They're not bad at all for 35s, so it's quieter than my Ford was, and a little bit quieter than my old Ram was too, but those are BFG all-terrains. What were those? I forget, the KO2s, but these aren't bad. All right, so I'm gonna drive home, shake it down a little bit, see what I think, and then I'm gonna show you the exterior of the truck. All right, so got the truck home. Drives great, just like anything on 35s. Give you a little look what we got. We got the Methods 18 by 9s on 35s, the Toyo all-terrains, and then here's it's the new 2.5 coilovers from Fox with the Carli upper control arms that are serviceable, and it's no lift kit, all suspension, so it's adjustable up to about a little over 2.5, but definitely want to stay under 2.6 just to be solid. And then I'm gonna get some guards for the rear shock body and external reservoir there, but yeah, looks super good. It's not not too tall. My license plate's pretty funny. Got the bed liner sprayed in. They did an amazing job with everything. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's always hard to tell. And then we're gonna go ahead and get it aligned at the dealer on Monday, just to make sure everything settles in and we get it aligned. But yeah, looks really stout and just a perfect stance in my opinion. Some people like different stances. I like just the classic slight poke. Real nice setup. So yeah, that's a wrap. I think it looks freaking good. We'll see if I can still stay at 25 miles per gallon or not, but yeah, we'll see. All right, so all in all, kit's installed. Truck looks great, more like my style, and we're going to be taking this thing on some off-road, fire road adventures, maybe little trails, a couple crawling things, nothing crazy, and I'll let you know how she does. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think or want to see, or if you have any questions about the rig, Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks, guys.